Good morning, day 3 of the new year, and I'm back at it in the garage trying to fix up the YC120. Today I've started the cleaning process, and the absolute first piece was the clutch cover. I thought I was able to get all the paint leftovers off, but yeah, I haven't even finished that job because it's so scratched. I think I will have to paint it black. Since the Wolf's philosophy is that the more black the better on the bike, I will be painting a lot of parts. I'm going to stick with the original pipe. I mean, of course, it would be nice to replace it, but this project is a little bit over budget already, so cleaning up the old one, a little bit brushed look is the plan. Yeah, staying with the stock. Yeah, the seat cover definitely needs to be changed. It's kind of used up and not original, I suppose, because the Yamaha text is kind of under. My plan was to paint the fork legs, but I must say they cleaned up really nice when I got the stickers off, so I think I'm actually going to leave them like this goldish. You can see here this one has still the sticker leftovers on it, and the other one is polished, and yeah, I'm happy with the result. Going to power wash these parts. It's like 1 degree plus today, Celsius, so not completely pleasant, but it has to be done. Time to wash. A lot of cleaning today. I have started to work on several parts. We'll continue tomorrow with them. And a few are completely ready. I'm also happy with the fork tubes as they turned out. Just need to order new gaskets for those. The engine also needs a few gaskets.